Hi, my name is Casey Bleeker, CEO and co-founder of SurePath AI. A lot of customers really struggle with how to distribute private AI models. And one of the biggest challenges is access control. We've already talked about how we can enable users to reach the model through our private portal, how we provide an audit trail. But how do you control which users can access which models? That's a policy that's hard to implement in practice, but it's native to the SurePath AI platform. Let me show you how it works. So within our administrative interface, this is where we can define our policies. The first policy is our default policy, which is where we define the model access, data sources, and PII or sensitive data policies that apply to the entire organization. So we can set a default private model that is what users will use by default when they access the portal. We can also determine whether or not we want to enable the portal for the entire organization or just for a subset of groups. This is also where we define policies for public model access. Which models should a user be allowed to access? To learn more about public services and our public service catalog and the threat intelligence we maintain on these public services, check out some of our other videos. So we can define a default policy, and we can even define a group level policy. So here I've got a sales user. We can create a policy and assign it to a group. These groups are automatically synchronized in from your directory, so you don't have to administer the policy here. A new user joins the sales group, they automatically inherit this policy, which defines their model access. Do they get access to the portal? Which public and private models should they get access to? So how do we connect your private models to SurePath? Well, that all starts with connectors. Connectors are how we connect to your secure private cloud and data center resources, how we connect to data resources to be assigned as context sources, and also how we can connect to your security infrastructure to automatically connect the ability to ingress and inspect traffic from your environment. So when I go to create a new connector, maybe it's an AWS connector, we actually give you a cloud formation stack to run that allows us to assume an identity role into your environment for secure access so that models stay in your environment and you control access to who has that data. Once we've connected our cloud environment, then we can import private models from within our multiple cloud environments. From AWS and Azure or direct to OpenAI and Google Vertex, we can now connect all of these different models and assign them to different groups and users, and within each assign them directly to a policy. So now if you train a model with financial services data, or you have a software development model that you want only your developers to have, you can easily assign access and leverage the rest of the SurePath platform to easily distribute access and have a consolidated audit trail with guardrails to make sure that users are using AI securely. If you'd like to learn more about the rest of the guardrails and controls that we put in place to help you accelerate your adoption of AI, check out the rest of our videos. Thank you and have a great day.